Make Money in Real Estate, a comprehensive guide. Real estate has long been regarded as a successful way to build wealth, providing investors with a number of ways to profit from things like property appreciation and rental revenue. This thorough manual will give you useful advice on how to succeed in the fast-paced real estate market, whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started. 1. Education and research. It's essential to educate yourself on the industry, investment methods, and trends before getting involved in real estate investing. Take the following actions. Read and learn. Research various real estate investment strategies, including flipping, renting out homes, using REITs, and more, using books, articles, and internet resources. Attend workshops and seminars. To get practical expertise, take part in workshops or seminars run by seasoned investors or real estate experts. Market analysis. Examine the local real estate markets to find prospective growth prospects. Recognize the demographic and economic factors that may affect property values. 2. Setting financial goals and budgeting. Setting up a budget and defining your financial objectives are crucial for a successful real estate investment journey. Goal setting. Identify your immediate and long-term financial goals. Are you seeking short-term gains, long-term gains, or a combination of both? Establish a reasonable budget for your real estate endeavors after taking stock of your existing financial status. Think about things like down payments, remodeling charges, and ongoing costs. 3. Choosing the right investment strategy. Different investing options in real estate are available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Pick the option that best fits your objectives and available resources. Purchasing foreclosed homes, renovating them, and then reselling them for a profit is called flipping. Renovation expertise and thorough market knowledge are essential for a successful flip. Rental income. Invest in real estate to rent out and create a reliable source of income. This strategy's primary component is efficient property management. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can benefit from real estate appreciation and dividend income without having a direct ownership interest by investing in publicly traded REITs. Wholesaling. Serve as an intermediary by locating properties at a discount and, in exchange for a fee, transferring the contract to another buyer. Property sourcing and due diligence. Your success as a real estate investor depends on choosing and analyzing the right properties. Networking. Create connections with property agents, other investors, and experts in the field. By networking, you may discover worthwhile opportunities. Before making a purchase, conduct market research to examine regional market trends, job expansion, infrastructural improvements, and future rental demand. Property analysis. Evaluate real estate investments using financial indicators like cash flow, cap rate, and possibility for growth. Do your research thoroughly to prevent costly errors. Financing and funding. A crucial phase of your real estate journey is obtaining the required funding. Traditional loans. Submit a mortgage application to banks or other lenders. Prepare a down payment and a solid credit history. Private lenders. Think about getting a loan from an individual or a private company. Terms may be more flexible even though interest rates can be higher. Creative financing. Look into non-traditional financing sources to fund your investments, such as seller financing, lease options, or partnerships. 6. Property management and maintenance. The durability of your investments is ensured by effective property management. To reduce potential problems, thoroughly vet potential tenants. Consistent rental income is a result of dependable tenants. Regularly maintain and upgrade your buildings to draw in and keep tenants while maximizing property value. As your portfolio expands, you might want to think about hiring property management companies to save time and effort. 7. Scaling your real estate business. Take into account these tactics to scale your real estate firm as your knowledge and resources increase. Reinvest profits. You can quicken your growth by using the proceeds from profitable ventures to support new ones. Diversification. Investigate multiple real estate kinds or geographical regions to reduce risks and profit from numerous markets. Partnerships. Work together with other investors to share information, pool resources, and take on bigger ventures. Continuous learning. Keep abreast of industry changes, judicial rulings, and market trends to make wise decisions. Conclusion. Real estate investing is a journey that calls for thorough planning, ongoing learning, and calculated risks. You may create an effective real estate portfolio by educating yourself, picking the best investing ideas, and managing assets well.